Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn images to paint effect using neural filters in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into using style transfer under neural filters. So let's get started! So here in our document, I got here a portrait image where we're going to turn this one into a paint effect. So the first step we're going to do here is that we're going to click on the background layer on the layers panel. Then, once it's already active, let's go to the menu bar, go to filter, then find neural filters. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, moving back, under the neural filters panel, we're going to find on the style transfer. Actually, it's under the creative. Now, to apply the effect, all you have to do is to click on the toggle switch. There you are. Once I click that, you can see here the setting of the style transfer. Alright, so there's a presets and custom. So what is this for? Well, if you have a reference of a painted image, well, you can use that on the custom. But in our case for now, we're going to make use of the presets, and these image styles here are already downloaded. So, to turn this one into paint effect, we're going to choose a reference here. So let's say I'm going to choose on this one. All right, so all I have to do is to click on it. All right, so that one is already active. Once I click that, the style of this reference image is already applied on our portrait. See? All right, so for the adjustments, we're going to play around with these sliders here. For the subject to be more visible, so going on to the style opacity, I'm just going to decrease this one into amount of 50 for now. I'm also going to increase the strength to 50. Alright, it created this paint effect looking this time, which is getting better. Alright, for the details, let's just set this one to 90. And another thing here, if you want to pop out the subject, well, you can blur the background with that. So let's just give this one a try. So I'm gonna set it to around 50 as well. Noticing once I did that, you can see that the subject is pop out. See? All right. Well, you can also preserve the color. So let's give it a try. Yes, there you are. Okay. So it's up to you on how you mix and match this setting over here. Alright, so you can play around with it with your best result. Alright, so in our case, I am satisfied what we have did right now. Alright, so for the output, click this one. I'm going to set this one to new layer for us to see the before and after. Then hit OK. And there you have it. Now let me show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to turn images to paint effect using neural filters in Photoshop.